How many times do we think the following words? If only I had more time on my hands. And although it's true on some level, we want to accomplish, we want to do, we wish we could do this, we could do that. Having too much time on your hand isn't so good. Learning this week's Torah portion, a beautiful insight in the idea of Vayihi Bayom Shmini, and it was on the 8th day. And the context of the Torah is teaching us that it was a very joyous time. It was a time of the consecration of the Mishkan, the tabernacle, the ultimate synagogue. It was a place where the Shekhinah, where God's presence resided. And we all came together and we connected to God there. However, the Torah uses a very unique word. It says Vayihi, and it was. And our rabbis tell us, anytime the Torah starts with the word Vayihi, there's a hampering, there's something that isn't so good. It's like a negative expression. The question is, what was the negative? This was such a joyous time. And the answer our rabbis bring down is that although we connected with God and it was a time to take take it to the next level, God was concerned that now that we finished the completion of the building, we're going to have more time on our hand. And what happens when you have more time on your hand? As the famous adage goes, the idle mind is a Satan's playground. If you look at your life, when usually we get into trouble when we're not focused on something. We don't have a purpose, we don't have a goal. And God was concerned about that. Now that we stopped the building of the Mishkan, the tabernacle, we're not going to be so busy. And something that we have to be careful of, and this is one of the takeaways of this week's Torah portion, you got to keep busy. Got to be productive. Of course, you got to relax, go on vacation. That itself is productive. That has its purpose. But everything has to have a focus, a consciousness, be conscientious and focused on where I'm going. What am I doing? You do that, helps you stay out of trouble. Shabbat Shalom.